Okay, so this video will introduce the Data Export tab available on CHaMP Monitoring. To find the Data Export tab, the first thing you need to do is log in. And once you log in, there should be a tab that becomes available called the Data Exports over here. And there are two kinds of exports that are offered at the programmatic level. The first one is a set of standard exports. So every night at midnight, CHaMP bundles up several packages of databases full of different kinds of metrics and makes them available on this page. So these are refreshed, well, usually every night at midnight. Anyway, there's one for stream temperature, all of the program metrics across all years, the metric engine status, which can be used for troubleshooting, a measurements database, the study design information, as well as the stream temperature metrics. There are also two databases that are available that are filtered to the individual year that is currently selected on CHaMP Monitoring. So in this case, I'm looking at 2015, so just the measurement data and study design information for 2015 are available. So when you hit the arrow, a zipped package of the database that is full of these tables here is downloaded to the folder of interest. So that's the first kind of export. The second kind of export can be a custom one that we can generate from the Create Export tab. This is also, if you remember from this tab here, it's the third option here. We'll send you to this same page. So you can give it a name, and iteration is referring to the year. So we could select maybe just 3 years of data. The watershed can be selected. So let's say I'm interested in only the Soton, the Tucannon, and the John Day. So you can customize the set of watersheds you would like, as well as customize the protocol. So I'm going to pick 11, 12, and 13. And then if you would like, you can select only certain tables. So the amount of data that's available on CHaMP Monitoring can be overwhelming. And if you're familiar with the different tables that the data is stored in, this can help you filter down to the actual data of interest without getting all of them. So for example, if I was only interested in the invertebrate data, I might just grab the invertebrate data tables as well as the discharge and the water chemistry. And even if you're not familiar with the structure of the data, the names are, they do give you some clue as to what's available in the data, so you're not going to be completely up a creek if you're not familiar with the structure of the data. So we've customized our tables, and now whenever we select export, it will package all of those up into a database, and then this will eventually show up in the export tab called My Exports. And you will also be sent a link in your email that will tell you that that data is available for download.